May ni som pathum sang ni som ni parok ani China hi an han fing le khapa ei Trump pa China han zina advantage an lo la mak mai ni hetinga Trump pa China zin lai hian in Strait of Hormuz a hian in China tan thil du tak pakhat a thleng ani hetili kan ria kan soi zaw main he kan en haw lokang
St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School chuan kumchang hi somni paruka tanga sang hi somni pasari academic sessionatan class 11 arts admission kan hongle ta e kan zirlai te talent ho chuanan co-curricular activities strong school sport field trip picnic excursion teachers day le adang te ro pui taka man pui thinan ni experience teacher ten pathian thune na no pangan zirtirna le an kai hloina skula hian admission ron ti vero le
Yes, St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Class 11 Arts Admission tuna hian hon mek ania he phone number te po an ron tar lang ani he phone number an ron da chua hian in lo han biula admission te po ilo han ngai ven ve theu do ani o le tuna chuan in kan rie kang let's go Fox News alert
Ceasefire with Iran is hanging by a thread. President Trump
ceasefire hemi in ka hayam pon he tuna hian in adin huna thalo khop mai ni video masalama kan rek ang khanin nuclear ral thuam kap chuak thei submarine hi tuna hianin Middle East lampang nei deu leka khanin a omna kha te kha an ron tar chuak ani hetila hi chu thuruk anga vontlat ani thina hetiang nuclear capable submarine omna te hi amara chu US lampang hian ngen threat ka shelo Trump a China han jin boxi hetiang hianin kan nuclear submarine hi helai hianin a ome an ron ti pop mai ani
characterizing it earlier this week as on life support. All this as a new report suggests the regime may be rebuilding its military strength. Trey Yingst is live out of Tel Aviv. He's got
hepa hi tuna hian in Tel Aviv a omekani hepa hin chiang zok hin tuna hian ron soyang soi tuang hadin hetianga in ka hai pon ani dilan siam lok lo da na hian United States le Iran te hi Indo le tur hen in buat sayam te hi mitam tak zona ania ke pa themi engmoni chin an zon rin dan ka nei ve de wani heti chen na deal siam lo Indo du lo ve anga in soi box amaro chu deal siam hlei thei box lo hi chu engmoni hi chu thlen le ka ring ani ke po hian
more on that for us. Hey Trey.
Yes, Andrew, good morning. Reports indicate the Iranians still have access to the majority of their underground missile storage and launch sites.
Lenwaya missile anda that le missile ka chua na tur kha ang chi zong zong kha tu na hian in Iran hian in atam zo ka hi chu an la da thatle ta ni man theina la om vekani ti hi tu na hian in report an ron soile ta ni ti hen report an ron pele ta ni Fox News nge ti hen ron pe a boi thlang don khomai Iran lampang ina US an lo dan te po hi amak lo chho chan riau a chan chu an missile tam zok te mi missile ka chuna tur tam zok te kha tu na hian in le hnoi hian in an la him vekani
comes as Iranian officials are continuing their threatening language against US forces and Gulf countries.
Iran lampang hian in United States te le Middle East ram dang te hi an la vore kan hi tun thleng hian
I can assure you that our armed forces are prepared for every scenario. I'm sure that anyone
kan si pai te hi eng po thleng se eng atan po hian in an in pe vekan in pe reng ani te he pa hen ron soy ani Iran Foreign Ministry spokesperson hian mo
who dares to put their foot in Iran's territory, they would be badly regret.
Iran ram hiron la kan tu me Iran ram hen ron kalani vai chuan hen an in chir khopang tin hepa Iranian spokesperson hian in warning a pe ani.
And with an ongoing U.S. military buildup across the region, reports overnight indicate that Saudi Arabia conducted airstrikes against Iran during the war. Fox reported on Tuesday the UAE also took part at the end of Operation Epic Fury.
Strait of Hormuz hian in United States si pai te hi tu na hian in an in tir phei zel ani Strait of Hormuz hian cho hetianga ni la hian in Saudi Arabia le United Arab Emirates te chuanin Iran ram chunga hian arukin bepuyan thlakan ti kha video masalama po kan react to kha
getting through moves the majority of sea also took part at the end of Operation Epic Fury. As for the Strait of Hormuz, the majority of sea traffic remains stalled while a handful of vessels are getting through.
Strait of Hormuz a hian long tam zok te chu kaltlang thelen om ma se long then khat ero hi chu tu na hian an kaltang mek ti ania tuna long pakhat heta kan moi hi one hua hu ti ani hi Chinese long ti kha chiang tak hop mai Wang Hua Hu helong a hi Strait of Hormuz a hian akal tlang don ni na lang ani
tanker tracking data shows a Chinese supertanker carrying 2 million barrels of Iraqi
2 million oil barrels he super tanker long lian satlian lo long lian tak ani 2 million barrel 2 million lai oil han ling tur chon helong hi chu rap thak don khop mai
Crude oil was one of just 2 ships to pass through the strait today.
voina helong hi helong hian Strait of Hormuz kal tak ani China how han fin ji chu tunai hian Trump hi China han jin mek chu wa chonin China how hian in advantage an la ve ni kering hey an ho tu pa ber ron ji dalom chu wa chonin Iran nen chuanin kan in kar tha chu wa chon kan longa hi kaltlang tir in tum teang an tianga tiang hian in one hua hu hi Strait of Hormuz a hian a kaltlang do ni na lang ani tat mai na.
The Middle East remains on edge after the latest efforts for a diplomatic solution with Iran did not pan out.
Diplomatic solution. US le Iran te hian in deal an la siam theilawa. Hetiang ani awang hianin hami nuclear capable submarine te pokha. Gibraltar te pokhanin US lampang hanin an ron tir phein la omna mun te pok an ron soilang nge nge ani.
In a post on Truth Social overnight, President Trump said in part Iran had 159 ships.
Hey Trump ana aposa ni. Iran had 159 ships in there. Iran hian in long za somnga pakwa an neya. Heng long an ne zong zong te hi tuna hian in kan ka pil sak fek to ani. Ati ni. Navy an nei to lowa, Air Force pon nei to lo. Soitong khan ni min lama khan reka Iran lampang hian in an thona nei ang te hi. Pakistan an Nur Khan military airbase hian in an thukru ti ani kha. Hey Trump chon in Air Force po an nei to lowa. Technology po an nei to lo. Tin an ram shwai tu te atirami te pokha tuna chuanin an om to lowa an rama hi tuna hianin economy lama po an tla che zelani heti chung hianin America min la chou tu te chu mi a tak ani aron ti top mai ani Trump hian mo aron ne so le pe khap mai hi chu classic Trump Trump a mi zia classic le to ka
In their navy, every single ship is now Xi Jinping regarding a case against America. President Trump had a message for Chinese President Xi Jinping.
President Trump apo hian in Xi Jinping atan hianin thu cha anei ani he nge
Regarding Iran ahead of his departure to Beijing. The Chinese are the world's largest importer of Iranian crude oil.
China hi Iran crude oil lalutu lian berani atuna hian so wang chonin Trump apo hianin China te po hi Iran ne na thok ho vak to lo tur te po hianin adu ni na lang dona ma se tianga Trump a China azin na hianin China super tanker one hua hu khan in Strait of Hormuz kha ron paltang tat mai ni ha ron kaltang ani chuanin China lam apan nge in karinga 2 million oil barrel kha China in Iran na tangin an la le don ti na ni.
What is your message to President Xi as a relates to the Iran
President
war?
Xi.
Well, I think number one, we're going to have a long talk about it.
Apa sabera chuanin rei tak kan ti ka ring President Xi nen hian Iran chungchang he rei tak kan soi ka ring ati ni Trump hian mo until soi tur te sensitive don soi dong khanin Trump hi China tanga ron jin hole hianin Middle East borok te poi randang hlak the ni.
I think he's been relatively good, to be honest with you.
Frank taka soi phei chuanin tun haya phei chuanin kan tan hianin a thakop mai Xi Jinping hi kan in kar borok a thakop mai ati dai mai ni Trump hian mo.
Look at the blockade, no problems.
Blockade te tuna US ina blockade kan nei te poi hade nula China lampau chunin boinan ron siam lem lo ni.
They get a lot of their oil from that area.
Kham somi atang sonin Strait of Hormuz kal tang sonin oil tam tak an la lut ti kan ria kini sonin khami kha boina kan nei lem lo ani si hi ka thian thata kan ni te ti vela ni Trump hian mo politics a real rem khop mai.
No problem, and he's been a friend of mine. He's been somebody that we get along with.
He's been somebody that we get along with. Kan in kara hianin a boruak thalo tak om lem lawin in ngai takin Xi Jinping and his own kan om thei ni ran ti ni Trump hian.
And I think you're going to see that good things are going to happen. This is going to be a very exciting trip.
To da kan jin tu ri ka phur to khop mai ra tha tam tak aron chua ka be se ni ti ni Trump hian.
A lot of good things are going to happen.
Thil tha tam tak aron chua ka te
Prime
ni.
Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is holding a security assessment today to prepare his forces in case the war resumes.
Tu la hianin Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu point meeting a kau dona ni he meeting a kau na chan tur hi chu Indo chun zomani pal takin etige ma kan la kang ti in khami kha an agenda turani voina an meeting a hian moi teu Israel lampak te hi hetia an ti ni chuanin Indo hin chun zom le mai lo mo an ni hi an just kiu thei riawa khá thiếu khá tu trụ video ta nó tối xí kim xiên à cái hành riêng cái hành soi rào thấy chua này China hay skill khắp mày one hoa hu and super tankerin Strait of Hormuz tu này hiện in Apple chăng à Trump à China zin lai ni bok nen advantage an la ve ni na lang ani ale khati zong khatun trum news ata na kan han ri ka kan han soi zau thei chu ani video le kan in mule theu do ne